And the last game of the season, Ebaso, which was a game involving Bofoakwa and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Bofoakwa. Kotoko able home to Bofoakwa. Yedika ka enyama bibre si ya na ensem fata senka wasn't KC bet a see all the same we are moving forward now to the game. Kotoko is setting up very well. Dr. Prosperity Ogum without
media stands or crab me akan oh there we atakra nipa o metimi akan
yellow stands it is a best fact be na commentary ne mu da ho de beni ho and again we have started Kotoko ebo very good football omo free flowing now of late omo timi ebo no omo timi boy say the initial stage in mekan no Peter Miduakwa yeba be rest season him no on cycle ho because set rounds are ye opponent box room this season he has been superb but Eugene Uremu wia ne finishing no aya na ye very porous enra he could have even added the name to players omanya brace this season. One goal no share no well yamonabaso but chances at turn afemu no senka or ye na dwini year enra he would have gotten either a hat trick or a brace. It's yeba be race season we no yamonabaso say we in the first season at Kotoko. Next season or the second season. Sa performance no the maye no. I think the rounds ne there excellent because he's one of the players se Bob didn't some in the shape of Kotoko team now. He's the only player who teams to be the ball a pushy opponent. It be the ball raw 18-yard box him. But the only problem is the final delivery inside the 18-yard box. The enemy say player be drew 18-yard box more. He behaved as a king. But in the shape of this guy there, Eugene, drew 18-yard box more. One, he's in a hurry to play the ball. Peter Miduakwa. Opentema bomono. And even when someone is challenging him, he is also putting himself so stiff that he wants to bully the player inside the 18-yard box. Meanwhile, no ukra ball no. And when you get into the 18-yard box, now with me here, if you don't get a very good position for a player to score, you might win a penalty for your team. It is a Bekaya Tamana Sonny Yakuba Kotoko. There are some instances that you make penalty Makotoko. Now opposing team they say no way in penalty. But any technical person or boni say indeed is a penalty because that's do penalty box no you're highly intelligent. Says when me rap and shabona. He's in a position to win a penalty for his team. But in the shape of Peter Miduakwa, moving forward, especially entering into the next season, on cycle on season gameplay, but the runs into opposition 18-yard box there, I will advise him to on keeping it up. Name on polish the final delivery inside opponent penalty box. Onyane Sana, I think that he is the best person for Kotoko next season because he has been able to make good runs. And he was very fluent. Even when the water could not allow play.
Baba has parking it down. Hana Ghana next Central African Republic boy.
Then I catch us say,
but too much.
Central African Republic, we should thank God. Sasansu, no, a bad disturbing game. This is when I referee from Munina. I know her say, you bet me out to a game. So. Unim say sad inspection we omo here more than 3 times.
And na bofo say omo call omo maybe.
Bofo say omo there ene there so omo be Kumasi they can't pay any bill.
And this is
Kotoko na say FA. Ebe ginem atwea accommodation bill they will stay so that they will play the match today. Iti kenne ena ka Kotoko ene tanobo for kwabebo. Iti Eugene hono they I believe say moving forward we the nya FA no the Ministry of Youth and Sports together with the National Sports Authority. Because mommy I aware say this is the venue.
In Kotoko stands on the need to dig out need to koi.
There is no dugout. Omo titi nsuo nim
any hokra.
Yes. And at a point in time second half no na akonya ni bi nso ye gufo.
Na ara na way.
Omo say Thursday no nsu kɛseɛ bi tɔɔ
Frama 5.
yes ɛna 2 year
Atuniko.
2 year ntiɛm sɛ ɔmo 2 goyɛ ɛna ɔmo amfa ama
Ghana yemobo.
I'm saying Ghana, they also a German big fire on bed travels being in there. And here because the only piano, you have nothing positive to discuss. Here season, we will be looking at possible players. I used to say we should be able to consider them going into the Black Stars. But we know can play a better bonity. Player, I bet you are bonity players are or must score higher number of goals in terms of goal king charting. But me no me anu perfect say your goals ni bi ho they were not competing enough to be awarded or to gain a call up to the national team. Inti Kotoko did very well yesterday, especially on more technical decisions, no. Ensure na me enya the flow of the game, but Kotoko I don't know so obi a chero mu nsuo bo especially Eric Zeze. Born beginning same bia na to say yes, born it me flow. Inti yam mo Kotoko for abaso and Bofoakwa so yam can say they have another chance to prove themselves in the season in a game against Inswatreman. Very fortunate for